Got a broken hammer handle? Don't toss it out. Fix it. I'm Danny Lipper with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to get that hammer in like-new condition right after this.
If your old kitchen's full of fumes and your bath's a steamy mess, they need a makeover, and you need to enter the Healthiest Home on the Block contest, brought to you by Brown Newtone and Today's Homeowner. The winner gets a healthy home audit, a kitchen range hood, bath vent fans, and a whole house ventilation system. Plus, their makeover will be featured on a special episode of the Today's Homeowner TV show. See official rules and enter now for your chance to win the healthiest home on the block at todayshomeowner.com/healthyhome.
These days, lots of hammers have steel or fiberglass handles, but for light trim work around the house, I actually prefer a good old-fashioned wooden handled hammer, and it's easier than you might think to replace a broken hammer handle, plus it'll save you a lot of money. First, cut off the broken handle and lay the head on a small block of wood with the claw facing up so you can drill out the remains from the eye. Next, insert the throat of the new handle into the head so that its fit is really snug. With the handle in place, cut off the excess that projects beyond the top of the head. Drive a small wood shim into the groove at the top of the handle and finish the job by installing a metal wedge at the right angle to the wood shim. I'm Danny Lippert with tips for today's homeowner.